Let's solve this together. It says 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 20. We're going to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say that when we have a raised to the power m minus n, it's equal to a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, okay? Applying the same law here, we're going to have 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 raised to the power 1, and this is equal to 20, okay? Now, we can rewrite this as 5 raised to the power 2x, okay? Now, to be equal to 5 raised to the power 1 is 5 times 20, so we have 5, and 20 is 5 times 4, okay? So 5 times, say 2 times 2, which is 4, okay? Now, this is 5 raised to the power 2x to be equal to, now this is 5 squared times 2 squared, okay? Now, at this point, you can see that you can take the logarithm of both sides. So let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 5 raised to the power 2x to be equal to logarithm of 5 squared times 2 squared. Okay. Now, this logarithm, we have to do the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 5, so we did the logarithm in base 5 for both sides. Okay. So the logarithm in base 5 for both sides. Now, moving on from here, we can say that when we have logarithm of a number raised to a power, you multiply that log and that power. So we have 2x multiplied by this log, which is logarithm of 5 to base 5. And this is equal to, now when you have multiplication, you split and add plus. So we're going to have logarithm to base 5 of 5 squared, that is times becomes plus logarithm in base 5 of 2 squared. Okay. Now, from here, you can say logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So this is a number and the base is equal to a number. So this is equal to 1. 1 times 2x is 2x to be equal to, on this other side, we have 2 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 5 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 5. Okay. Now, we now have that 2x is equal to, logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 times logarithm of 2 to base 5, okay? Hence our x here now becomes equal to 1 plus, this is still 1 times logarithm of 2 to base 5. So this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made this to the end, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.